So here we have our old tent from 1986. I'm going to open it in front of everybody. I think it's all there. So let's see what we have. Okay, so we'll start with the poles. This hasn't been opened since 1986. Last time we went camping, there's South England somewhere. Before you were born, Kira. Oh look. Oh, we got some damage there. It's seen some action. Okay. This looks like the top. It hasn't gone mouldy, has it? Okay. Well, the window looks alright. Let's just have a look at what's left in this bag. Oh look, some 1986 dirt. Oh, and we've even got them old little caps that go on the top. I think it's all here, so should we put it up? And being old school, we know exactly what these are. They go on here. There you go. Nice. Gardener's friend. And bang on cue, it starts raining. So that's the end of that. So we've decided to recreate a moment from 1982 because that can be done inside the tent. So we've had some rain, well, a lot of rain actually, and more to come, and unfortunately she's not done very well keeping the water out. She's 100 years old, so what do you expect? Oh dear. Oh well, that could be the end of that. We'll put it away safely and see if we can't waterproof the top or something. You never know. This is the state of the rubbers after roughly 30 years. I think they have definitely had it. Looks like they're trying to tell us a message. So, we have a little workshop here with a nice clear roof which brings in a lot of heat. Those are my car show posters for when we used to do car shows. We can't now at the moment. And we're lucky to have some space here so we can hang the outer tent up at least. This is just a utility room. If we get some sun, that should dry out nicely. And I have got some waterproof treatment for it. You know, but I just don't know when it's going to be used, to be honest with you, because if I waterproofed it, what would happen? It would just be stored away again. But it was nice to see it up once more. Brought back a few memories. Yeah. Anyway, let's crack on. Phew. And then after the conversion, as you can see, we went to Bournemouth, South England, 2019. And that turns out to be the last camping trip in our newly converted camper due to the COVID-19 coronavirus lockdown, which we're still in at the moment. So it's been quite a journey, to be honest with you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that trip down memory lane with the old tent we found in the loft the other day. Stay home, Stay safe and please subscribe.